Hey guys, my name is Jack Torr and welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so g'day and good morning guys from Manila here in the Philippines. I'm so excited to bring this vlog here in this country. I'm gonna take you around and go to the top attractions and see what this city is all about. We're gonna be trying some local food and just seeing what this city has to offer. So come along with me today. First things first is we need to get the metro into the main city. So come with me and let's get this day started. One thing that I've noticed here in the Philippines already is they start celebrating Christmas very, very early. From I even believe at the start of September. All of the malls that we went into last night, we just went into 2 malls, they had Christmas decorations up and we were just like, what is going on? And there was Christmas songs and everything. It's so crazy to see the Christmas spirit here in the Philippines, here in Manila so soon. I love that. After all, Christmas is one of the best times of the year if you celebrate it. Nice. So only 15 pesos to get downtown. That's a pretty good price if you ask me. We're getting a tricycle to Fort Santiago, so let's go. All right. This is the first time I'm getting a tricycle here in Manila. This is exciting. So they're pretty much just a bike attached to a little tiny cart. Can only fit 2 people. How cool is this? These things are so much fun, but I tell you what, they have no suspension. So every bump we go over is like, bam! So cool. I love this city already. Everyone's already smiling, saying hello. It's so fun. This shot here that I got of this fake Nike store, the owner was like, please film my shop. Normally at any fake goods store, they're like, no filming, no filming. But this guy was like really friendly and he's like, thank you for coming to the Philippines. So, Filipinos, you guys are so friendly and so amazing. I'm loving it here. Okay, so that was a good first experience on a tricycle here in Manila. Man, oh man, that was fun, but I tell you what, it needs more suspension. I think my back is out from that. Damn. But yeah, I don't know how well you heard me, so I'm gonna say it again, but the people here are so friendly. They gave Matt, one of the security guards gave Matt a fist bump before. Matt thought he did something wrong and he's just like, no, I just want a fist bump. Filipinos, you have the green tick for me. Absolutely, I feel so welcome here. So we're right here now, outside the Fort Santiago. So let's go in and see what it's about. Fort Santiago was built in 1571 by Spanish navigator and governor Miguel Lopez for the newly established city of Manila in the Philippines. The defense is a fortress located in Camarines, the walled city of Manila. The fort is one of the most important historical sites in Manila. and is a historical landmark. Today it stands as a memorial for the victims of World War II and the sacrifices of the Filipino people in its pursuit of freedom over the years. So we've just arrived to Fort Santiago and we went through the dungeon and now we're on a golf course, so I don't really know what's happening. I think that there's a golf course in the fort as well, which is really cool, but yeah, wow. This church is really cool. It was, whoa. Oh my gosh, that's so slippery. I've got to be careful here. Damn. Okay. Oh. Yeah, so this church was originally part of this fortress here. And as you can see, we got the cannons behind me. But then it was later converted into a church, which is really, really interesting. So one thing I've actually noticed while being here is that there's not that many people around. So if you're coming here during a weekday, today's a Friday, I recommend coming at about 10 a.m. That's the best time you'll get to take your Instagram photos and also see the fort itself. So yeah, definitely come at 10 a.m. So we're just walking out of the fort now to our next destination, and there was this group of, it looked to be like drama acting, like an acting school or something, and everyone was like, hey, like, welcome to the Philippines, be safe today. And I'm just like, wow, like I've never got that at any country from just like a lot of random people. Like sure, I've got that here and there, but nothing like the Philippines. And we've only been out for about an hour and a half and everyone's already saying hello and saying, you know, be careful, have a great day. Man, oh man, you guys are something else, let me tell you. So this part of the city is actually really, really nice and modern. There's a lot of green spaces around, and look, you even have a horse and cart over here. It's really cool, really nice spot of the town. So I think what we're gonna do now is find a cold drink because it's really hot, and then maybe go and check out the cathedral. So we've found a coffee shop called the Beltree Cafe. It's just next to the cathedral if you come here. So I'm really excited. I'm so hot and I haven't had my coffee for today. And you guys know me on this channel, I love my coffee. So let's go in and check it out. So we just sat down to order something off the menu, and I just realized there's this massive bell behind me. Look at the size of that bell. Whoa. That is so cool, but I think I'm gonna get an iced coffee or an iced chocolate, so yeah. I ordered a iced mocha coffee. I haven't had an iced mocha in so long. Probably the last time was when I was in Australia. It's got whipped cream and chocolate and a whole entire just concoction of yumminess. So let's give this a go. Oh, that chocolate's lovely. And just that cream. We're gonna chug this down and then go out back into the hot sun and make some more amazing content for you guys. But we're loving it here. First impressions so far, 10 out of 10. So good, so good. Okay, so we're now out the front of the Manila Cathedral. This thing is massive and the bells just went off, but I didn't have the camera on. But yeah, let's go in and check it out. 150. What do you guys reckon? I don't know if it suits me. I just bought a old coin from the US from 1872. There's a lot of people praying and I want to be respectful and quiet, but wow, this place is amazing. Way bigger than I thought and so lovely. I have just seen the weirdest thing in my whole life. But just look at this. The petrol station is upside down. They're pulling the petrol. That is crazy. If you're not from the Philippines, write in the comments if you've ever seen that in your country, because that is next level crazy. So it sort of makes sense because people can drive up any which direction and not have to get in the way of a pump. Wow. We've just came into Razzle Park, and one thing that I've noticed here in Manila is some really, really lovely park spaces, lovely green spaces as well. I always love it when a city, you know, creates green spaces for their people, because obviously in the city there's a lot of traffic and things of that nature, and sometimes you just want a green space to just relax and, you know, come and read a book or listen to music, and especially on a weekend too. But check out this water feature here, really, really nice. And then you've got the Filipino flag just here too. Man, it's a lovely, lovely park. So awesome. So we've just came into the Chinese garden now here in the park. So this sort of seems like a really cool spot to get some, you know, really good Instagram photos and stuff like that, but it's also really relaxing. It has a few ponds and there's a few kids here with their families, and just seems like a really nice, relaxing vibe. So we're just gonna go for a little walk around here and see what it's about. So I just picked up a mango ice cream from this little street vendor here in the park. It's really cool actually. There's a lot of street vendors around, and they sell like different stuff to what I'm used to in most Asian countries. Like normally you don't really see much ice cream because it melts really quick because it's hot, but let's give this a taste. So it's more like a sorbet. It's really good. It almost tastes like fresh frozen mango, to be honest. Wow, that's really nice. Alrighty guys, so that ends today's video. Thank you so much for watching. As always, keep it real. Make sure that you like and subscribe. And remember, there is plenty more videos to come here from the Philippines. And also, if you're watching from Nepal, just note that you can come here visa-free right now. Cheers.